Alright, people, we have the LG marquee for Boost Mobile 3G, not 4G, but it will be updated 4G soon. Anyways, let's get to the phone. I cut the box up already. Right here, booklet. You get a activation kit booklet with USB cord and this right here, and then the phone. Phone is 4.0 display, 2.0 megapixel, proximity center right there, no identification, speaker right there, 5 megapixel with flash, HD compatible. While video, you can do the screen. Volume rocker right there. This button is for like if you want to put your camera, any button you want. Power, and this right here is awesome because see that's where you charge it at, but it opens. See, opens, and then the earpiece right there. Let's put it on. It's already activated, so I was waiting for y'all to do the review. 1500 milliamp battery. Four-point display, Nova display, so it's like the brightest thing on the market right now. Not even AMOLED could beat it. And then right here, it turns blue. That is awesome. Alrighty, see how good that picture is? Everything's loaded. Gorilla Glass.